Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning. My name is Razan Muhammad and my student ID number is 2514560 and I'm a student at PEM Akamigas and my major is Logistic Oil and Gas. So today I will present a detailed explanation about oil and gas logistics. Before we go deeper, I want to ask you something. Every day we use fuel for motorcycle, cars, electricity, and even industry. But how does that fuel actually reach us? Is it just pumped from the ground and directly used? The answer is no. Behind that simple process, there is a very complex system involving transportation network, storage facility, supply chain coordination, safety system, and logistic planning. This system is called oil and gas logistics. In this presentation, I will explain not only the basic concept but also the real industrial flow, technical processes, equipment involved, operational challenge, and real-life application. So by the end of this video, you will understand how logistics becomes the backbone of the oil and gas industry. Definition and scope. Oil and gas logistics is defined as the management of flow of material, equipment, and petroleum product from exploration sites to end user in a safe, efficient, and cost-effective manner. But in real practice, this definition is much broader. It includes procurement of material, inventory management, transportation planning, storage operation, distribution system, emergency response. Key difference from normal logistics. Oil and gas logistics is different because first, hazard level is high. We deal with flammable, explosive, and toxic material. Second, operation is continuous. Production runs 24/7 and logistics must support non-stop operation. Third, location is extreme. Offshore platform, desert, deep sea, and remote area. 4. Cost of failure is huge. If logistic fails, production stops and $1 million are lost per day. Example, real case. Imagine an offshore drilling rig if logistic fail to deliver. First drilling mud, 2 spare part, 3 fuel. Then operation stop, workers idle, company loses huge money, and so logistic is not support. It is critical infrastructure. 3. Industry structure, upstream, midstream, downstream. To understand logistics, we must understand the structure of oil and gas industry. A. Upstream, exploration and production. Activity, exploration, survey, seismic, drilling, extraction. Logistic role, delivering drilling equipment, supply chemical like drilling mud, transport workers or like crew change, offshore supply vessel or OSV. Midstream, transport and storage. Activity, transportation, pipeline and tanker, storage, tank farms and terminal. Logistic role, maintain flow continuity, prevent bottlenecks, monitor pressure and volume. Downstream, refining and distribution. Activity, refining crude oil, producing fuel like gasoline, diesel and LPG, and then distribution to market. Logistic role, deliver fuel to depots, manage distribution network, ensure availability. 4. Detailed logistic flow. Now let's break down the real flow. Step 1. Extraction. Crude oil is extracted from reservoir, then stored temporarily in storage tank and floating units. Step 2. Gathering system. Oil flows through small pipelines to central processing facility. And then step 3 is transportation. From facility to refinery using pipelines or tanker ship. Step 4. Refining. Crude oil is processed into gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, and LPG. Step 5. Storage or terminal. Products stored in fuel terminals or depots. Step 6. Distribution. Delivered to gas station, industry, and airports. Important concept. Supply chain must be continuous. No delay allowed. 5. Transportation system. Pipeline, most efficient. Continuous flow, low cost, high capacity, but expensive to build and high risk of leakage. Tanker ship, used for international transport. Example, Middle East to Asia. Truck, last mile delivery, used for SPBO delivery or short distance delivery. Rail transport, used in some countries, not dominant in Indonesia. Storage and terminal operation. Key facility. First, tank farm, large tank for bulk storage. Second, loading gantry, where trucks are filled. 3. Jetty, for ship loading and unloading. 4. Pumping system, move liquid between tanks. And they have a safety system too. First is fire suppression. 2 is emergency shutdown. 3 is leak detection. 7. Material and equipment logistics. This part is often ignored but very important. Items include pipes, valves, pump, chemical. Without this, production stops. Logistics must manage inventory, procurement, delivery schedule. Challenge, real challenge. First is remote location. Offshore equals to expensive logistics. Weather storm is equals to delay. Safety risk, explosion and fire. Environmental risk is oil spill and high cost because the infrastructure is expensive. So the conclusion is oil and gas logistics is complex, high risk, high cost, but extremely important. It connects production, transportation, storage, distribution. Without logistics, no fuel, no energy, no industry. So thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation helped you understand oil and gas logistics in a deeper and more practical way. So that's all from me. Don't welcome me wa maizturun. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.